What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So you can see that the Mercedes is still looking sorry for itself. We've got multi-spoke crappy Mercedes wheels on the front, and on the back we've got some classic Team Dynamics taking us right back to the early noughties and the Max Power era. These wheels were the boss. You'd have to have a pair of these or a set of these on your car back in the early noughties, but they're just not cutting it for the Mercedes. That's okay, because in today's video we're going to head over to Wheelmania because the new wheels are ready. So like I said in the last video, I've dropped a size, so we've gone down to 19s, and they're not as wide. So on the backs they're 9.5s, and on the front I think they might be 8.5s or 8s. But basically they've gone to the standard spec that the Mercedes 19-inch wheels were, just with a different offset. So I've had a custom offset, so they kind of look like the fitment of the 20-inch. So it'll still give it that kind of wide stance, and it'll still look pretty awesome. So what are we waiting for? Let's get over to Wheelmania, the only place you want to go in the UK to get your wheels. I have to say that because they have been absolutely golden. They've knocked it out the park. Give me loan wheels, give me a great deal on some new wheels. So it's all thanks to them. So we're going to head over there now, go and pick the new wheels up and get the Mercedes looking the way she should. Let's get on, let's go.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.
We're here again at Wheelmania. We've made it, and the new wheels are just about to go on. So they've just jacked the car up, and oh, you can see them coming out. Oh yeah, let's go and check them out. That's right, we've gone for CSR bowlers, and they're gonna look sick on the Mercedes.
Gon' back it up, matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up.
So there we are, Wheelmania have smashed it out the park. Look at those, new set of 19-inch bowlers, absolutely looking awesome. I think they actually look better than the JR34s, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments below. But again, Wheelmania have absolutely smashed it out of the park. As always, the only place to come if you want a decent set of wheels and to talk to people that actually know what they're talking about in terms of fitment and what wheels will look good on your car. So there we are, guys. What do you think to these bowler CSRs on the Mercedes? Well, I have to tell you, the drive back yesterday from Wheelmania, the car felt so much better. It doesn't track all over the road, and I think the 20-inch rims may have been a little bit of an overkill, and I may have got a little bit excited, but you learn by your mistakes. And next time when I'm choosing wheels, I'm gonna have to think about that if it's on a daily driver. Now, a massive shout out yet again to Wheelmania, who came through for me, gave me a set of wheels for the week, and actually got these wheels turned around in a week, which is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I can't thank them enough. If you want some wheels, the link is in the description. Go and take a look, give them a call, email them, message them on socials, let them know that you've seen my video, and they'll sort you out a really good deal. Now guys, that's it for this video. If you like what you see, don't forget, smash that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.